everyone, and welcome to the third fan mail video. Today we've got a nice fat stack, and this time we have a face cam, so hello. Hopefully it works. Alright, shall we open some mail? Let's open some mail. I keep saying I'm not going to make another video, but you guys love them and you keep sending wonderful mail, so here we go. Our first piece is from Gwyn. Whoa, look at that! It's so cute, look at that. I'm going to read the card now. I know this is weird, but here is stuff from America. We have a paintbrush, a heart-shaped pencil sharpener, a pocket-sized ruler, which honestly, I've been needing, a paper clip. Oh my gosh, and this adorable picture of a Pikachu. Thank you so much, Gwyn. I will find a use for all these things, and your art is adorable. Next, from Maria. Oh, I forgot the webcam was here, whoops. Happy really late birthday. Elemental War. This was my game. Oh. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. What is this? Whoa! A lot of effort went into making these. Holy cow. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. Stickers. There's only a few. One of them is me. Oh, thank you so much. An adorable drawing. Your watercolor looks like butter, that's funny. Don't forget to find her on YouTube, it is Neptune Bliss. And to answer your questions, why are you so fabulous? I have no idea. How are your videos so relaxing? Again, I don't know. And number 3, you ran out of questions. Good, because I don't have answers for them. Thank you so much for the letter, Maria. And thank you so much for all the stickers and the art in your game. I'm gonna have to try to play that later. It's so cute, thank you so much. Next is an unnamed letter. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you guys are spoiling me. I really like your unique art style and how you try to keep your channel kid-friendly as best as you can. Whoops. Go follow Frankie Tom on Instagram, and on the back. P.S. Have you seen The Greatest Showman? And also you should watch Stranger Things on Netflix if you haven't seen it already. I have seen it already, and I will try to put The Greatest Showman on my watch list. Oh my god. It's a farting ant. Oh my gosh, look at them. They are emojis of ants, and we've got some farting butts, which you know, I like some farting butts. Look at that little angry ant. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Thank you so much, Frankie, for writing me. Next is a letter from Wurtzfeld. It's Hatch. Oh my gosh, it's Hatch. It's so cute. If you saw my watercolor creations, you would facepalm. I think I messed up on the tail, frowny face. Sincerely, Nick. Well, Nick, I think it's adorable. I don't think you messed up. I love it. Thank you so much for writing me, Nick. Next is a letter from Ariel. Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at the details in that. It's so cute. I'm going to read it. The right age to not be too mature or not too young for your quirky humor. Cough, saw, Kasey, cough, cough. Oh, you said your name is pronounced R-E-L. Ariel, not Ariel. Sorry. But thank you so much for the drawing. It's adorable. Thank you so much. The next letter is from Bernadette. P.S. I hope you don't mind, but I gave Hatch some clothes. I don't think I'll mind that you gave Hatch some clothes because what I see looks adorable. Oh my word. Oh my gosh. I'm afraid to see this Hatch because it might be too cute. Look how cute that Hatch is. Just look at him. Those clothes are so suiting to Hatch. It's adorable. Be sure to follow Sissy Cake on Instagram. Thank you so much again. Next is unnamed. Oh my gosh. Why is that so dang cute? And a letter. Thank you so much, Jilsu. I'm not sure how to pronounce your name, but thank you so much for the letter and the adorable art, and welcome to my channel. And next we have this golden envelope from Mia. Maya? Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Aww. 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 Look at them! It's you and an ant and a cactus, and they're all so cute. Oh my gosh, you made me too dang cute. I wish I was that cute. And you drew the crew. Oh my gosh. It's too much. It's too much. Anyway, I decided to give you a 20 pence coin. Is it pence? From Mia. Maya? Mia? Dang it. P.S. This is the first letter I've ever sent to a YouTuber, so sorry for being awkward. Anyway, goodbye, waves. This is an amazing letter. I am honored to get your first. It's great. You put a lot of effort into this. Promo alert! My Instagram is at creative.sketch-book. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much, Maya. Dang it. Thank you. And another unnamed card, but it says I'll be blinded by the colors. I'm scared. Whoa! Wah! I got it. No worries. I got it. Okay. Wah! Okay. Let's look at this adorable ant card. Whoa! Whoa! Look at that! It's beautiful and it's so cute. Let's read it. From Ellis. Elyse? Is your name Ellis? I hope it is. Either way, go follow Ellis on Instagram. Ellis_the_artist. This card is beautiful. It's really cute. I love all the little details. It's so adorable. And I will have to find a place to put these because it is very cute. If only I had pierced ears, I could make earrings out of them. But I don't have pierced ears. Elise, Ellis, oh gosh. Thank you so much for the letter. I wish I could say her name. Elise, Ellis? Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Our next letter is from Ophelia, I think. Oh my. Oh my. I am writing you because I wanted to write you. That's a good reason. Please show on camera. Well, there you go, Ophelia, I think your name is. Thank you so much for drawing these adorable drawings. Keep drawing, and thank you for the doodles. And this big boy with no name. Oh, it's a letter. Oh, your style is so adorable, and you drew all my characters. They're just so adorable. Dennis with his little hair patch. Oh gosh, go follow Undertale Expert on YouTube. I am going to read the letter now. And art is something I want to expand on, so your tips and tricks playlist is a useful tool. Well, I will be ready when you get a Hatch plushie out for sale. Also, nice face reveal. Why, thank you. Your drawings are so cute. Thank you so much for writing, and I'm glad you enjoy my videos. Here's something I'm excited for. A box from Emily. Oh my. Oh my gosh. It's a Hatch plushie. Oh my gosh, look at his little tail. Look at him. Just look at him. It is so adorable. I love the long tail, and there's wire in it so you can put it at whatever position. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Well, heck, why didn't I open this earlier? We could have been decorating with little pom-poms. Uh-oh. Oh, what? What? Pins of me and my characters. Let's just decorate really quick before we read. Oh, they're going all over. Oh no. They're going all over the floor. Oh boy. Oh boy. Thanks, Grace. Grace, thank you so much. Graceless Doodles. Go follow her wherever the social media is. Thank you so much for the plush. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to have a Hatch shrine. The Hatch shrine will get bigger. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Oh no, another letter from Elyse? Elyse? Ellis? Dang, I just don't know how to say that name. Oh, is there ever a time where I'm not saying aw? 3 ants. Aw, it's me! Little stickers, little handmade stickers. Aw, it's not the best, but what? Oh, come on, I like it. And a letter, let's read it. Hello, I'm David. David, thank you so much for the art. Thank you so much for mailing me. Go follow David on Instagram. Thank you so much. Next is a letter from Rachel. Now this is how you ask me to write back. You put your address on the letter and stamp it. Clever girl. Go follow Rachel at Jim is not an artist on Twitter. She included all of these little pieces of stationery and stickers, and it's so cute. Wow! Thank you so much, Rachel. Another unknown letter. Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh, you painted on an instant picture, just like in my video. It's so cute. Kasey Golden, let's read the letter. Thank you so much, Kindle. This is the YouTube channel. Go check it out. And you asked, Can you tell me how to come up with ideas of what to draw and how to come up with my own characters? So something that I've struggled with for a while is how to come up with what to draw, but I think if you just practice and push yourself, just like any other skill, I think you can get better at coming up with ideas, because after I started the 500 drawing prompt series, I think I've gotten a lot better at coming up with things to draw, so you just gotta practice imagination, I guess. And as far as characters goes, I will make a video on that one day. I would say keep it simple. Maybe that's it. I don't know. Thank you so much for writing, and thank you for the instant picture. And this one is from Aliki. It's a letter in a letter. Whoa, is this your art? It's beautiful if so. Holy cow. Those colors are crazy. Whoa, whoa. Okay, let's read the letter. What I like about your art is that every piece has a story, and that's something I like to incorporate into my own art as well. That's a good idea. Aliki, thank you so much for the letter and these wonderful prints. They are crazy good. The colors are great. They definitely tell a story, and thank you so much. Be sure to follow Aliki at social media here. And this next one is from Giuliana with an assless mask, Dennis, and Hatch as nightmares. Oh, that's an adorable cat. I love the way you draw cats. It's really cute. Time to read the letter. Giuliana, you said you moved to a new house where you get to design your own art space, and you would love a video on practicality, especially for sewing and sewing art supplies. I don't have much. You probably have more space than me, but maybe you can get some tips from my workspace tour? I don't know. Either way, thank you so much for the artwork. It's adorable in the letter. This adorable pink envelope is from Carly. Please open in a video. Well, do I have some news for you? Read first. Will do. I hope you reply, because a lot of YouTubers I send fan mail don't reply. Frowny face. Can you please shout me out in your video? Also, where did you get that Polaroid camera? I got the Polaroid camera probably on eBay. And does this count as a shout out? Shout out to Carly. Aw, a heart. A big ol' heart art. And, aw, it's me in my style and in your style. It's adorable. And a letter from Yezabella? I'm sorry. Oh, warning, letter. Oh, dear Kasey, my name is Yezabella. It's like Isabella, but with a Y. Yezabella? Did I say that right? P.S. Do a cat face reveal. Maybe one day. Until then, follow Yezabella on DeviantArt at Snowball Doodles. Oh, look at the little ants. Oh, it's adorable. Thank you so much, Yezabella. I hope I'm saying your name right. P.S. My sister helped. I hope I say your name right. It's from Wetlana. Oh my gosh. I love that you cut and paste things on your letter. It's adorable. Let's read it. Thank you so much. That's you and the ants and me. And Butter Biscuits is your name. So thank you so much for sending me this wonderful letter. The drawings are adorable. And a letter from Cote. Look at that. Whoa. Whoa. My dream come true. Riding on a giant ant. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so cute. Oh, you said in the background you'll see two trees, and I don't think I need to explain anymore. Whoa. Nice reference. I love it. Be sure to follow Cote, I think, at 8RA1N_E on Instagram. Thank you so much for the drawing. It's adorable, and I love the reference to the tree and the cactus and the ant queen, and I love it. Thank you so much. And the last letter is from Unknown, but wow, it's pretty. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is beautiful. What the heck? I don't deserve such beauty. And the letter is so dang pretty. Aura, I am so sorry that you're going through a rough time right now. I'm glad that my videos can help. You say your art isn't worth it, but you know what? Dang, I think it's worth it. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. Look at that. I love it. Thank you so much. And be sure to follow Aura on Instagram or Twitter. I'm not sure, but make sure you'll look her up. Thank you so much for writing. Whoa, I didn't even realize it looks like a postcard on the back. This is so good. Thank you. Thank you so much. And that is it for this mail video. Seriously, thank you all so much for mailing me something. I seriously appreciate all of your support. I appreciate that you want to send me something, and seriously, thank you. Thank you. Okay, goodbye.